Hello, beautiful viewers. Welcome to Hussain Academy. In my today's video, I am going to explain about 14 principles of management. In my last video, I have explained about the functions of management. Hope you all have seen that video. If not, then link is given in the description. Please do check. Before starting 14 principles of management, first we will see what is management. Management is the art of getting things done through by others. Here, manager makes all the employees work under the guidance of him. In management, if we follow all the functions and all 14 principles of management, then it will be easy to achieve the organizational goals. Henry Fayol is the father of 14 principles of management. He was born in France in 1841. He graduated in 1860 and he died in the year 1925. He is regarded as the real father of modern management science. Here I want to share a small trick to remember 14 principles of management. Trick is, child asked father, "Dad, you see USSR?" Dad replied, "Oh, I see." D for division of work, A for authority and responsibility, D for discipline, U for unity of command, C for centralization, U for unity of direction, S for subordination of individual interest to general interest, S for Scalar Chain, R for remuneration, O for order, I for initiative, S for stability of tenure, E for equity, and E for Espirit De Corps. Henry Fayol suggested 14 principles of management for running the business efficiently. We have seen all the 14 principles. Let's study in detail. The first one is division of work. Division of work implies division of the total task in order to lighten the total burden and promote specialization in such a way that one person does only one thing rather than doing everything himself. Second principle of management is authority and responsibility. This principle states that authority and responsibility should go side by side. We all viewed that people seek authority and fear responsibility. A good leader must have courage to accept responsibility. Let's see the third principle of management, D for discipline. Discipline means obedience, respect of authority, and observance of the established rules. Discipline is essential for the smooth running of business, and without it, no business can run properly. Discipline should be there at the workplace for proper running of the business activities. Fourth principle of management is unity of command. This principle states that one person should receive order from only one superior. In other words, one person should be accountable to only one boss. Let's see the fifth principle of management, centralization. Centralization means concentration of authority in the hands of few, that is top management. Decision-making power must be in the hands of top-level management. Centralization plays a very important role in the business activities. In centralization, decision-making power will be in the hands of only top-level management. Let's see the sixth principle of management, unity of direction. In this principle, unity of direction implies that there should be only one plan for a group having the same objective, one plan of action, and must be under the control of one manager or one superior. With this, we have seen 6 principles. Let's see the 7th principle of management, subordination of individual interest to general interest. It is essential function of management to make people realize the objective of the group and direct their efforts towards the achievement of these objectives. Fayol is the opinion of that the interest of one employee or group of employees should not prevail upon the interest of enterprise as a whole. When the individual interest and the common interest differ, it is the duty of the management to reconcile them. Fair agreements with subordinates and constant supervision are essential to prevent promotion of the individual interest at the cost of general interest. Eighth principle is Scalar Chain. Scalar chain refers to the chain of superiors, ranging from the ultimate authority to the lowest rank. It means from top to bottom. A gangplank may be created by passing the established line of authority. Scalar chain is necessary to ensure unity of command and effective communication. Let's see the next principle. Ninth, remuneration. In this principle, fair remuneration should be given to the employees. Fayol was of the view that the remuneration paid to the workers should always be just and fair and should afford maximum satisfaction to both employees and employer. The management must ensure fair reward for the work and decide the most equitable method of calculating wages. Ninth principle is order. The principle of order implies right man in the right job and right material in the right place. Dear viewers, right man in the right job and right material in the right place would ensure effective utilization of the available resources in an organization. Let's see the 10th principle of management, initiative. Initiative implies the power of thinking out a plan and ensure his successful implementation. The manager should encourage or inspire the confidence of his subordinates so that they show initiative. Employees should give new ideas, new project plans. It will be a good source of strength for the organization. Let's see the next principle, stability of tenure. This is the 12th principle of management. Stability in the tenure of personnel is very essential because it takes time to get used to a job. Employees should have job security. To ensure loyalty of workers, it is essential to provide security of services to the workmen. When an employee is working in any organization, there should be rewards, awards, good remuneration, plus they should have job security. Let's see the next 13th principle, equity. Equity means justice and kindness. Fayol was the opinion that to encourage workers to fulfill their duties with devotion and loyalty, management should deal with employees with equity based on kindness and justice. There should be equity with all the employees at the time of giving work, at the time of rewards and awards. Let's see the last principle of management, Espirit De Corps. In this principle, there should be cooperation among employees, good communication should be there, workers should guide and coordinate each other. Literally speaking, Espirit De Corps means the spirit of loyalty and devotion to the group to which one belongs. This is all about 14 principles of management. Hope you all understood my video. Dear viewers, if you want more such videos, then please comment in the comment box. If you like my video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos.